Hello mga ka-haters, kamusta kayo? So now we're going to another travel planning sa ating next European destination. So are you excited na po ba? So I'm going to share my screen. Okay. So mas exciting ang gagawin natin ngayon. So kung sino ang ating mapipili. Okay. Okay, let's go for our next Schengen destination. And next is Belgium. Yay! So we have a winner. Si Belgium po ang ating next na gagawa ng travel itinerary. Okay, remove na natin si Belgium. Okay, let's go to Belgium. How much ba si Belgium ngayon? I-check lang natin yung kanyang ano. Oops, Belgium. Tingnan lang natin kung how much yung kanyang flights from Copenhagen. Let's see. Anywhere in the world next. Any departure. Belgium. Antwerp, Brussels. Antwerp, Belgium. Okay, sa Brussels tayo. So like 7,645 for the round trip. Okay, let's go. So, please use my affiliate link if in case mag-check kayo ng hotels and uh, tours and attractions dito sa trip.com. So, it's in the chat box below. Check nyo lang yung aking link. So, just click it. And let's go to Brussels. So, let's go to Brussels. Brussels, capital region of... So, anong date nun? Feb 5 to 11. Feb 5 to 11. That's 6 nights. Again, 2 adults, 2 children, 8 years old and 10 years old. Let's check. With breakfast, of course. Breakfast, yes. May breakfast tayo. Kasi mayroon tayong maaagang ah, tour. Mas maganda kung busog tayo bago tayo mag-tour. So, let's go. Ay, ito maganda. Wait. Check natin. Family or family. Family room na lang. Para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Family rooms. And let's also consider 2 bedrooms. Yan, kasi family duplex, 2 bedroom. Okay, this 3-star hotel, 4-star hotel. Cardo, Brussels. Novotel. Check natin yan. Check din natin to. This is 6 nights. Best Western, check din natin yan. Brussels City Center. City Center siya. IHG. Uoma Lodge, 4-star hotel. Okay, Hilton, 2 kilometers from city center. Okay din siya. Top 4-star hotel. Ito, malapit sa Lady Station. Ito na lang, 5-star hotel. Ay, ito maganda. 5-star hotel, 116 with breakfast. Sheraton Airport. Ito, 1.9, great location. Malayo siya, 13.8. Ano yan? Pero maganda yung ano niya, malawak. So, Martin's Red, Radisson Red, Crown, ito, Airport, Tower Hotel, NH Collection Grand Sablon. Let's check this out. Okay. So, tapin natin siya kung ano yung may bubuk natin. Siyempre, kaya room with breakfast, diba? Tignan natin. Which one is good? Two kilometer. Parang maganda to. 5-star hotel. Sweets. Ito, 270. Ano lang. Marriott Hotel Brands. 270 City Center. One set of cribs. Layo na itong iba. 11 kilometers. Labors. 7 minutes from Dansud. 2-bedroom apartment, 400,000. Wow. 2-bedroom villa. Ay, wow, wag ito maganda. Rustic vacation home, Oasis of Queen. Ang laki. Okay, done. Let's go. Check natin ito. 189. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga rooms. Modern. Oh. Tingnan natin yung executive suite. 1 king bed, 1 sofa bed. Let's see. 1 king bed. Maganda. Tapos may living room. 40 square meter. Wi-Fi. Connecting. Connecting. Guest room. Bedroom, 1 king, 1 queen, or 2 single bed. Private bathroom. Okay. Okay, next. Staybird Icon. 5-star hotel. 5-star hotel, 123 lang. 123. 157. Executive Queen. Nope. NH Collection. Let's see. Family room with two units. One double bed lang yan. Superior. Brussels City Center. Check natin to. Moxie. Moxie. Queen bed. One sofa bed. People guest room. Okay, no? Radisson Collection. Ganda. Ganda ng lobby. Dining. Sa, ano, leisure and recreation. May gym. May spa. May sauna. May conference. Bathtub has windows. Okay. Suite. Ito. 7 square meter. And then, collection room. No. No, Brussels blue. Video. Ay, video. Merong conference. Okay. No hotel. Family room. Uy, maganda to. Double bed siya. Two double beds. Yan. Sama yung breakfast. It's 86 and 2060. Optional. About per person or if ito includes for breakfast is 123. Tapos ito nakalagay na 1,231 trip coins. Once you use my affiliate link, may makukuha kayong additional points. So, this is 123.88 with room with breakfast. And this is 2 double beds. No family room. No family room. Family room. No Brussels. Brussels blue. So 2 double bed. Double bed. Family room. XL, that's 35 square meter. So, as of now, ito yung napili natin. Okay. Yeah. Slow. Then, Hilton Garden. Maganda din siya. Hilton Garden. Awesome. Awesome. You're showing him. You're showing him. Bristol guest stay, capital of Europe, alongside international stay. It fits this room with well residential areas. 2 bedroom suite. Ay, ito maganda. Bedroom suite. 2 weeks. Best with breakfast. Ito, 212. Children's say. Ito, okay ito. Ganda rin. 2 bedroom suite. Parang mas maganda to. Kasi may kitchen, may microwave, refrigerator. Hilton pa to. Hilton Gardens. Ito na lang. 2 bedroom suite. So that's with breakfast. Spray naman yung mga apartments. 2 bedroom suite. Teka. Ay, 1 king bed lang pala to. Sorry. 1 bedroom. You Urban Lodge. Ay, ito. May mga ganito. Ayan. May bunk bed siya. Ito, quadruple. Best for with breakfast. 83,000. Pwede rin ito. Basic. 1 queen bed.
And becomes something. Yeah. Actually,
1 queen bed. Ito is 1 bunk bed. 2 bunk beds. Ito, 2 bunk beds. Meron pa isa pa. May 4, 5. Ito medyo malaki. Family. Ito naman may terrace. Tingnan natin kung includes breakfast. Ito na lang 103. 1 queen bed, 1 bunk bed naman to. Ay, dapat dalawa. Ito. 1 bunk bed, 1 single bed. Ito na lang. Family room. 1 bunk bed, 1 single bed. Family room. Tapos may queen bed. How much with breakfast? For 3 guests. May 4 guests tayo eh. 4 guests. It's 103. Kaya lang, quadruple with terrace. 1 queen bed, 1 bunk bed. 1 queen bed, 1 bunk bed. Pero dalawa naman siya nakalagay. Ito, 103. Ito na lang. 103. 103. 449. 103. 449. See, ano to? Yung mga urban. Yung mga reviews. Ay, wag na lang. Yung isa na lang tayo.
Because someday.
Palitan natin siya. Ayan. So, yung pa rin tayo sa kabila. Sofa bed, cozy queen room. No. Family room, 1 double bed, 2 sofa beds. 26 square meter.
Yeah, that's the
4 sofa bed, 2 queen bed. It's 4 sofa bed. So, it's a double bed. Okay, no. Meron silang table tennis indoor. Table tennis. Nice. My kitchen.
So, no, no.
26 square meter, 20.
Okay. Okay. So,
Okay, next. Mission Center.
Circle. Nolan ducks.
Okay, next. Let's see. One double bed. Now, Carlo Brussels. 130. Family room, City View.
No. 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 It's all
Grand Palace. Wow. Grand Palace.
ancient.
Family duplex. Ay, ito maganda.
Nolan
Bed price, 126. Two single bed, one king bed. Maganda siya. Ganda, oh.
90 still. Video.
60 square meter.
80 is still. Video. Okay?
Parang maganda to, pero 3-star hotel lang siya. Hilton Garden Inn, Brussels City Center, with breakfast. Ito, two-bedroom. Two-bedroom suite, 70 square meter. One king bed. One double bed, deluxe king room. Okay, daan na tayo. So, ang napili natin is Sino Brussels Blue, two double bed family room with breakfast. So, that's 6 nights. 6 nights, 7 days. 6 nights, 7 days. Okay, let's go to
One east.
let's go to attractions and tours. Brussels. Let's go Brussels, Belgium. 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 Ayun, Brussels. Belgium and search. Okay, let's see. Brussels. Ito, Atomium. Again. Evening tour, dark side. Okay, dagdag natin sito. 2 hours. Ano kaya yan? Historical day trip. Tour bus, Tutbus Brazil. Ito, full day city tour of Ghent. Walking tasting room. Luxembourg. And yun. So, dagdag natin. So, 12 hours tours. Auto World. Let's go here. Auto World. Oh, Belgian chocolate making class.
So good.
So, mag-enjoy yung mga kids sa paggawa ng chocolate. Roseau City Museum. Check natin yan. Ito, Natural Sciences. Parang museum siya. Workshop with tasting. Ay, ito na lang kaya. With tasting siya. Okay, next is musical instrument. Ito, good for kids. Para ma-inspire sila. Chocolate, siya. Workshop and guided walking tour. Sama na natin to. May Amsterdam. Guided tour. This one. Chocolate. Famous beer at chocolate tour. Tingnan natin siya. Ano bang top rated nila dito? Aha, yun yung top rated nila. Antwerp and get day trip. Okay. Grand Place of Brussels, Mannequin is Otonium. Fine Arts of Belgium, Comic Arts Museum, Royal Palace, Mini Europe, La Maison. Okay, let's do this. Evening tours, dark side of Brussels. Let's see. So that's 841. Evening session. 841. Burgess. Historical guided trip. This is age 3 to 11. So it's 10,000. So ito yung inclusions. Lunch, hindi siya kasama. So may transfer, audio phone, professional multilingual guide. So next, full days again, Burgess from Brussels. Ano yung kanina? Teka lang. Brussels get that way. Brussels, palitan natin ng full day. Ito, tanggalin natin ito, 337. Parang mas okay itong full day natin siya. That's around full day. 16,000 para naka full day tour. Tanggalin natin to. It's okay. Next is Luxembourg day trip from Brussels. Let's go 2012 to this one. Next, third tour natin. Ito yung auto world naman. Auto world. So, interested to sa mga kids. So, for a child, it's 1,240.77 times 2 adult plus 965. 965. That's 4,400. 4,411.62. Okay, next. Ito, Belgian chocolate and taste making class. Yan. 11 o'clock. Okay. Chocolate workshop. Mahal naman. So, regular chocolate workshop na lang. So, next is City Museum. It's 1 for 34.56 up to value plus student. It's 845.70. It's 400,555. 59.46. Okay, next, Royal Belgian Institute of Nature. Museum naman to. Paid entry is 3,470. 48 museum ito naman discount card. 48 museums. One time. Huwag na to. So, na yan. Museum entry. Ito na lang. Let's say, di ba yan? So, yeah, 3,000. Okay, next. Ito, Amsterdam. Pwede natin ito isama. That's 17,000. Okay. Now we have 2, 4, 6, 8 tours. So, yung iba dyan, pwede siyang afternoon. So, compute na natin siya. Kasi 7 days naman siya. Compute na natin. 841.28 plus 16,577.80 plus 14,337.72 plus 4,411.62 plus 18,263.92 plus 4,559.46 plus 32.29 plus 17,122.52. I-plus natin yung hotel with breakfast natin, 123,088. And that's total of 202,214.61. Divide natin sa 4, that's 50,000 per pax. 50,553.65. Okay, yan po ang total ng ating Belgium tour, Brussels. So, thank you, everyone. Kung may request kayo for our next trip, comment down below and we will find a way to answer your questions and requests. So, that's all. Thank you.